Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add fonts in Figma. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser. Now search for figma.com/downloads. There. So now what you need to do if you're using Mac, just go ahead and click on this Mac OS installer. So in font installers, okay? So if you're using Windows, click on this one. But if you're using desktop app, it doesn't require the font installer, okay? So just go ahead and click on the link. And now what you need to do is to search for fontmeme.com. This is where we will get our fonts, okay? Now I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the collections right here and just go ahead and search for the font that you want. Okay, so let me just go ahead and find a font. So for example, this one, the puffy one. Okay, so what you need to do is to click on download right here. And now let me just go ahead and show you that I don't have this font. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and search for figma.com. Click on new design. So this is the name, okay? The puffy. Okay, so let me just go ahead and search for puffy right here. This one. So puffy. As you can see, I don't have the puffy font right here, but once I am done with the tutorial, we will have the puffy font in Figma, okay? So the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and search for your downloads. So click on this app because we need to install it. So click on install. So once you've done that, just go ahead and extract this zip folder. So extract here. So let's just go ahead and wait. So now once it is extracted, what you need to do is to open the font file, open type TT right here. Okay, so just go ahead and click on that, click on install. So once you've done that, so this is what I've clicked. Okay, so once it is extracted, click on font file and click this open type TT. Okay, now what you need to do is to go back on Figma and restart it. Okay, so now once it is done restarting, let's just go ahead and search for the font. So let me just go ahead and change the color background so that we can see the font. So puffy. So as you can see, I have the puffy font right here on my Figma, okay? And that is how you add fonts here on Figma. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.